Okay, well, we don't have anything prepared, so we thought we would just, if you guys want to ask us questions, or we can, I guess this is Ben.
Hi.
If you want to ask us questions, or let's introduce ourselves first. Go, you can go.
My name is Ben. I'm Coltrane on Drupal.org, and really excited for the Drupal 7 release.
Yeah. And I'm Ezra Gildesgame. I'm Ezra G on Drupal.org, and it's fun to talk to you today.
And I'm Lisa Rex. I'm Lisa Rex on Drupal.org.
Hey, so any of you here want to ask some questions to Lisa? How you come up here?
Hi, I'm Mandakini.
Hi.
Yeah. How to do quality control? Like I'm doing one website using Drupal, and I want to make quality control. Yes, 100% customers should satisfy my site. So what sort of thing we need to take care? Like we are talking about QC of our product or website.
And you want to make your customers more satisfied?
So,
Yeah, I think she's looking at what does Drupal provide
QC, yeah.
for.
QC, like customers should fully confident that yes, we are providing right product to them using Drupal 7.
I think a lot of the same things for Drupal 7 would apply for satisfying customers as in any website. You want to make sure that users have instructions that are clear and the interface is easy to use. I think one thing that I like to do on sites is to make it very easy for people to submit feedback either with one of the Drupal equivalent modules or things like Get Satisfaction.
And the other thing to do is, spend a lot of time showing the interface to users, and like if you can do just one-on-one with people, ask them questions like, find out ask them things like, what can you do here, and see if their answer matches what you believe is the answer, and also assign them tasks to go through, so basic usability testing, give them a series of tasks and see how long it takes for them to complete it and whether they have any difficulties, and ask them to explain if they're feeling confused, or you can always just ask what do you think of this, or how was that for you, to make sure that the task was easy to complete.
Okay.
Hey, so what about the unit testing in Drupal 7? Do you want to say something about it?
Yeah.
Sure. So the unit testing, there's I think a couple different styles of tests. So that started off as more functional tests, but there are some unit testing as well. But I believe there's 28,000 tests for Drupal 7 right now that are being continuously run, and they from all sorts of things in the system, from creating content to altering users to even testing the upgrade paths. There's a lot of great tests, and that's been, I think, instrumental and a really big success for Drupal 7. And it's going to mean the code is so much more stable, and when there's bugs found along the way, which I'm sure there will be a 7.1, that things will just be a lot smoother in the process.
Hey, thanks, yeah. Our next question.
Hi, I have a question.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Babu. Hi, I'm Babu from Part1 Projects. So I've been using Agile platform for automating installations in Drupal. So I've used it for 6, but how good is it now for using it for Drupal 7? Is it stable now?
Good question.
Can you repeat what have you been using?
Yeah, Agile, AEGIR.
Oh.
There's Agile. It's a tool for automating a lot of installations. So I've used it for Drupal 6, but how stable or how easy now? Is Drupal 7 ready for that at least? Even if it is beta, that's fine.
I think Ezra's checking. I haven't heard anything specific about Drupal 7. I think that it won't be too difficult to deploy a Drupal 7 site in Azure, but I'm not certain of how stable that is and whether anybody's specifically working on that.
Okay.
I think it's anticipated that there's going to be a 1.0 release in early 2011. I'm not familiar with that personally, but there is a blog on the Development Seed website. If you search for Drupal Ager, you'll see that there's a blog where they're anticipating a 1.0 release for Drupal 7 in early 2011.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Vinod. What is the migration path for Drupal 7? There are a lot of modules in Drupal 6. How easy is to migrate from Drupal 6 to Drupal 7? Yeah.
You're asking how easy it is to migrate modules from Drupal 6 to Drupal 7?
Yes.
Yeah. Depends on how complex the module is.
Okay.
But generally, the pain points are around the database API, so changing all of your queries. And then I would say the theme layer, since any function that maybe if you had a page on your module that returns some output, it's an extra step now for Drupal 7 because you return what's called a renderable API, or excuse me, a renderable array. And if you're doing fancy things in your module for that page, it's a little bit complicated to get it to just